I'm Mahendri Ramesh. I'm from New Jersey, USA. I'm a cybersecurity analyst. I came across this course when I was actually exactly looking for Ayurvedic principles to include in my life. And this was something much higher than Ayurvedic. Uh, an Ayurvedic course. This is naturopathy course, and this course has changed my life for the better. I'm applying only 5% of what I have learned in this course, and I can see the changes. I'm just imagining how profound the changes will be if I apply full 100%. So I highly recommend anyone who is watching this to take this course. Come with an open mind, not have any preconceived notions about what you have learned before. Have an open mind, be like a sponge, and make your journey towards towards a healthier and better life. This content was very well organized. I really liked it because it covered, uh, I won't say very in depth, but as much in depth as it is required for an introductory course, and how much the variety and the diversity was really good. I really liked about that, and it is a must to know, to have this knowledge, because it's not necessary to know just one piece of the puzzle. You need to know, you need to have the entire picture, and this course really gives you an entire picture, an entire overview of uh, holistic or naturopathy.
Thank you.